Well, as you can see, we don't have a couch here yet, but I wanted to kind of quickly make this little bit of the video, and then I'll add it later. Okay, see this thing here? When this gets unscrewed, I think I've talked about this before. There's an electrical outlet right there. And it's I'm very glad that's in the floor, because most sectionals nowadays have electric type recliners. This one happens to have a recliner that's electric, and then there's also a chase lounge area that's going to come out this way, and that even is electric too. I'm kind of anxious to get this hooked up, and because it's way over there, I don't know if the plug's going to be far enough, but I can't put another plug in the floor because there's a ceiling down below here. So I'm probably going to have to put an extension cord over a little bit, and they suggested like a what do you call it, just a power strip with a reset button on there or something, and the power strip might have a cord long enough so that the power strip is, boom, about right there with 4 or 5 plugs in it, outlets, long enough for this chase to plug into it, long enough for a recliner over here to plug into it, or I may have to have a little extension cord, or put the power strip in from right here over, run an extension cord, a little 6-foot extension cord underneath the furniture over, so that that other one can plug in, and so forth and so on. The only reason why I'm showing you that is because I've got to do something like that downstairs, because we're getting another sectional for down here, and of course it's got to be electrified. She wanted something with electric. I mean, it is nice to have electric, and it's going to fit right in here, kind of where an old couch sectional was, but there's no electrical in the floors here. And so I've got to get one of those outlets, kind of like that at the store. I'm going to have to find it. I'm not sure if the hardware store is going to have it. I may have to go to an electrical wholesale house and find an outlet, and I might have to put 2 of them in here. I'm not quite sure yet. We had talked to the company who's bringing the sectional out. They actually brought an interior decorator out here, kind of helped us design something here. She even gave me measurements off of this wall over where to put a plug, from this wall over, and then I decided phooey on that. I'm not going to do that just yet, because I'm not sure. We're going to put a TV against the wall over there. I'm not sure how close to the wall we want this furniture, how far. Maybe we want the back of the furniture back this way further, and that might affect the actual location in the floor of where I'm going to put these outlets. So I'm going to put these outlets in after the fact. I may be able to get by with just one in the middle right here, with the power strip going off both sides or something. I don't know. Or I might have to put 2 electrical outlets, one over here, one over here. The beauty of this floor is there's underground underneath the house right here, and I'll have to crawl under, look under there. I'm going to make videos of all that. Don't worry about that. But I'm just kind of thinking about what I'm going to do here, and then I can figure out exactly where to put the electrical outlets. So that's another whole video series, where I'm going to get the power from, how I'm going to tap into it underneath the floor, how I'm going to get it all the way over here, how I'm going to cut the carpet out, cut in the box, mount the electrical, run the wires, the junction boxes. I'm going to have to find an electrical circuit down underneath the house, put some junction boxes in there, put some wiring in there, install some wiring coming over here, all that kind of good stuff. And that's something you want to watch. Keep watching my videos. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to talk about next time, but stick around. I'll figure it out. I'll get something for you. Don't worry.